In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create YouTube video using AI in less than 5 minutes. In this video, I'm totally explain you. First of all, I'm going on ChatGPT for hey, right, 5 YouTube video idea. Then this ChatGPT give me 5 YouTube video idea. So best AI tool to boost your productivity. Then this is only maybe web development or website design these things. So I write here, write another topic, the topic like health. So I like health niche. If you want to work another niche, you can work as well. It's absolutely free for join on a ChatGPT 5 simple exercise to reduce back pain from the sitting too long. How to sleep at night. Okay, I copy second one. Then going this secret a tool like InVideo AI. If I going on similar web, you can see here are 7.9 millions of people visit this website and use this website every single month. Can you imagine how many people use this website actually? Okay, then click on make explainer video. So just paste my title for creating video. So I select a 5 minute. If you want to add 3 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes as you need, select your time. Then add relevant information, which type of video you want to and which type of video you dislike. Everything you can describe here, but I don't need this one. I select stock media. So if you have to choose to only generate clips, this is a paid option, but my account are only free. Then I select this one. Then background music. So I write here inspire. Then select your language. So my native language are English. Then select English. If you want to create another language video, you can select any others as well. Then voice actors, male, female. Okay, select male and voice middle age British voice. Everything are good. If you want to add watermark, click here, but I don't need this one. Click on continue. Again, click on generate video. You need to wait few seconds for the processing your data. It's less than 1 minute maybe. Once you have done this process, you need to select here are two options. I select stock media. This is a free method. Then I select sleep, general public, clean and YouTube. Okay, then click on continue. If you have a paid account, you can select generative media. I hope you understand. You can see these video are ready, 11% ready for view. I'm waiting for a second. Wow, my video are ready. So I need to check everything okay or not okay. So once you have done this everything, if you think this video are ready for download, then click on download button. Otherwise, if you have found any mistake, you need to click correction here, editing here. Just click on edit button. Then here are media, music, script, setting. Everything is customizable and changeable. Don't worry. Example purpose, if you want to change this image, this is possible. If you want to change your script, this is possible. So don't worry. Just click on save. Okay. Once you have everything good, just click on download button. If you have a paid account, select no watermark and subtitle. 180 are good, then click on download. But I have a free account, then I select stock watermark, normal, then 180, click on download button. Now my video are downloading start right now.
Hey everyone, it's Armin and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects us all, sleep. Seriously, who doesn't love a good night's rest? But for some of us, getting those zzz can be a real struggle. Between the pressures of daily life and the constant distractions around us, achieving a peaceful slumber can feel like an impossible dream. If you've been struggling to get a good night's rest, stay tuned because I'm sharing 7 science-backed tips for deep sleep. Trust me, incorporating these simple changes can make a world of difference. Alright, tip number 1 is all about creating a consistent sleep schedule. You might be thinking, Armin, I already know this, but hear me out. Our bodies crave routine, and that includes when we sleep. By going to bed and waking up around the same time every day, even on weekends, you'll regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. This will make it easier to fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. I know it can be tempting to sleep in on Saturdays and Sundays, but trust me, sticking to a consistent sleep schedule will pay off in the long run. Now, let's talk about your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be your sleep sanctuary, a place where you can fully relax and unwind. That means making sure it's cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains to block out any streetlights or sunlight, and consider a white noise machine or earplugs to drown out any distracting sounds. And don't underestimate the power of a comfortable mattress and pillows. Trust me, investing in a good sleep setup is worth every penny. What you eat and drink before bed can also have a huge impact on your sleep quality. Avoid large meals or spicy foods close to bedtime, as these can lead to indigestion and discomfort, making it harder to fall asleep. And I know this one's tough, but try to limit your caffeine and alcohol intake in the evening. Both can interfere with your sleep cycle and leave you feeling groggy the next morning. If you're feeling peckish before bed, opt for a light, healthy snack instead.
This is a method how you can create YouTube video using InVideo AI in less than 5 minutes. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel so you can take care. Goodbye.